My issue with this cleanser is I don't think it should be legal. Honestly, a disappointment. Everything was expensive. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia and in today's video we will be testing out some popular celebrity brands we've been seeing all over the internet. Some are so hyped, some are finally available in India. We'll see if they are worth your money. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe below and let's get into it. So all the prices will be mentioned on the screen, and a quick disclaimer, I have bought some products. Some products were sent to me as a PR. This is literally my personal opinion and it could differ from yours, and that's absolutely fine. In no means am I trying to put down a brand or unnecessarily try to put them in a bad light. I feel my responsibility as someone who is on this platform. I want to give you my genuine review. So if you're planning to invest your hard-earned money into something, you should know what you're getting into. So that's the whole vibe. I absolutely understand the mehnat, the effort, the khoon pasina that goes into building a brand, which is not easy at all. I just wanted this to be like a non-biased review. What are the pros, what are the cons, and that's everything that we'll be covering in this video. And I'm so excited. Let's finally get started. First up, we have A Kind by Meera Kapoor. I will be only talking about certain products that I've thoroughly used. मेरे पास उनके सारे products हैं, but the ones that I have genuinely used up a lot, starting off with this Fresh Start Oil Balancing Cleanser. इसको आधा खत्म कर दिया है मैंने. My issue with this cleanser is that it feels like I am rubbing like a lotion on my skin. It does not lather, it does not foam, which is a little bit of issue for me because I have oily skin type. So when I am using a cleanser, I want that feeling of foams ताकि मेरे को satisfaction हो कि हाँ finally मेरी skin clean हो गई है. The oil, the dirt is out of the face. मैंने इसको with full face of makeup भी use किया है and it does clean the skin very well. So despite the fact that it doesn't foam, it still cleans your skin. So I think it does the job. It is gentle enough, so you know, no stripping, no stretchy feeling, and your skin actually feels like उसका pH balance बिगड़ा हुआ नहीं है after you've used this product. So it does the job. It's a really good cleanser, but I personally don't reach out to this one just because it does not foam. I like to go in with this A Kind का Get Even Serum. इसका ना hyaluronic acid है, काफी lightweight formula, non-sticky. I absolutely love it, but the packaging is a real issue because पहले तो बहुत बार उसको pump करना पड़ता है for the product to come out, and then you know, like single drops निकलने में भी तकलीफ होती है. So I feel the packaging is definitely the issue, especially this one right here. And then talking about the most famous product, which is their On Cloud 9 moisturizer. I love this to bits. Oh my god, this is a fragrance free product. Actually all of their products are fragrance free, which is a good plus point. I love how it leaves my skin so bouncy. It's lightweight and it gives my skin that Korean glass skin vibe. That's exactly how my skin feels when I'm applying, you know, like a Korean product on my skin. So this moisturizer is definitely one of my favorites from their brands. Lastly, talking about their Sunstick. I think this is one of the very few Sunsticks that have a really sturdy packaging. मतलब ऐसे flimsy नहीं लगता है, ऐसे लगता है कि हाँ, you know, पैसा डाला है packaging में. So the packaging is really sturdy, which I love. Now I have used it over makeup and it works perfectly fine. It mattifies the makeup and it is also not very like sticky and heavy. It does not transfer also a lot of makeup on it, but when you apply it on dry skin, it peels very badly, which is why I think I would not use it when I don't have makeup on. Because this, not on dry skin but definitely on a full face of makeup. They also have two other serums that I haven't used, and the whole reason about it is because they don't have the percentage of the active ingredients mentioned. ये vitamin C serum है, इसमें नहीं लिखा है कि ये कितना percentage of vitamin C contain करता है, which is slightly a little bit you know, risky, because what if there's a beginner who wants to use vitamin C, they cannot directly jump to like a 10% vitamin C. They have to start with 5. So अगर इसमें percentage होगा तो it's easier. Same with this one. ये retinol serum है, but इसमें कितना percentage of retinol है ये नहीं mention किया हुआ है. And it has to be under 2. So I would like them to mention that on both of these serums. This is why I haven't touched them also so far. Overall, I think the brand has launched products at a very reasonable rate. ज़्यादा महंगा भी नहीं है. It's not very steep. And then the formulas are also very gentle. Fragrance free है. Skin में बिल्कुल भी chip sticky feeling नहीं लगती है, which is perfect for the Indian weather. So considering all of that, I think I would give it like a solid 8 on 10. And then we have Kylie Cosmetics by Kylie Jenner. the most iconic product, which is the Kylie lip kit. It comes in with a lip liner and a matching lipstick, which creates this very cool tone nude color. The formula was so sticky and heavy and matte. My lips were sticking to each other. It wasn't a great feeling. So I think I love how it looks on me. The shade is great, but the formula could have been much better. And then we have the Kai Lash. I personally have very high hopes from luxury or maybe expensive mascaras, because I feel they need to be exceptional. Like, they're so expensive. Apart from the packaging, this was honestly a disappointment because the volume was pretty एवरेज. द फॉर्मूला फेल्ट वेरी ड्राई. मतलब अगर मैं अभी भी उसको खोल के लगा रही हूँ तो मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि फॉर्मूला बहुत ड्राइंग है. ऐसी बिट्स एंड पीसेस ऑफ मस्कारा ऑन माई लैशेज विच इज स्लाइटली इकी. सो इसने मेरे को थोड़ा निराश कर दिया. And the last product is the Kylie Plumping Gloss. This one is in the shade Rose and Chill. It's a very, like, it has glitter particles and you can see it. It is non-sticky, it's light, and I love the high shine and the plumping effect that it gives. But this has a cooling sensation that will not settle. Like, I have applied this gloss 2 hours ago, but अभी तक मेरे lips tingle कर रहे हैं. And एक point के बाद irritate हो जा रही हूँ मैं, क्योंकि why is it tingling so much? Like, it needs to settle down. I don't want that minty feeling on my lips throughout the day. That is sort of irritating, but that is my personal opinion. You could be totally fine with it. Otherwise, it's a really nice lightweight high shine gloss. I think to sum it up, I absolutely love the packaging, but I feel like the formulas could be better and the products could perform much better, thinking that it has so much potential, and I'm sure the budgets are also really high for this brand. I would give it like a 6 on 10. Then we have Rhode by Hailey Bieber. Instagram finally made me get the Rhode peptide lip treatments. They are not available in India yet, but you can get them via authentic Instagram resellers. Like, the one I got is from Allure House. I will leave their Instagram below. Now both of these, ये मेरे को 2500 के पड़े एक. So considering that it is so expensive, I feel this needs to be like the thing. It needs to be magical, and that is all the energy that I put in when I was trying these products, and oh my god, it did not disappoint. I absolutely love this salted caramel version because of how delicious it smells. It's literally so good smelling. I can't. And it has a really nice balm meets gloss formula. Like, you feel like you get the goodness of a balm, but it looks very glossy. It's nice and thick. The applicator makes it so easy to apply. It's not gonna be a little inconvenient on the edges, and it actually lasts long, which was very surprising because you don't have to keep reapplying it like any other lip balm. It stays on your lips all day, and once it comes off, it has healed your lips. Your lips have become softer. Chapped lips को भी heal करता है, cracks को भी heal करता है, and makes them baby soft. So I think apart from the price point, Hailey ma'am has killed it. I also have the shade Toast, which is a nice nude shade, but I think I would still prefer this one because it's just so delicious. I think overall I would say it is expensive. Like, I don't think it should be legal for any lip balm to be this expensive, because at the end of the day, it's a lip balm, guys. But we get it that it's a celebrity brand, and apart from the price point and the inaccessibility, I think this one is definitely worth the hype. Next up, we have Palmonas by Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha Kapoor is the co-founder of this jewelry brand that sells 18 karat gold jewelry, which is anti-tarnish. It is waterproof. It will not fade away. It will not change its color, and all of the good things. But when I went on their website, everything was expensive. Like 2,500 for a ring, over like 3,000 for a neck piece, and I'm like, do I need it? Do I not need it? But then I saw that they were running this BOGO offer on their website. I was like, okay, I mean, then it makes sense. So I got 2 things from them, and they were for about 3,200. I got like this very dainty star neck piece. I wanted to get something that I can wear on an everyday basis. I've been seeing like my sister wears something similar, so I thought maybe I should too. And this I have been wearing for I think almost like 3 to 4 days now. I also have tested this only under sweat so far, not with like shower routines, but I think I read it on their website that these you can wear when you're swimming, these you can wear for your showers, and you know, you can wear it underwater and this will not lose its color, because if it does, you can reach out to your customer service and you know, they can assist you in that, which I thought was amazing. Because definitely the products are expensive, but if they are going to last you a lifetime, it's a great investment. Then I also got this hug ring. It had a really cute pattern. मतलब मैंने पहले तो नहीं देखा था ऐसा. Generally it's super cute. I have been wearing it during my face washes as well, and it's retained its shine and it's still like really nice looking. I feel if BOGO offer नहीं होता तो मैं genuinely नहीं खरीदती. तो मेरे को लगता है कि price point है एक factor. It will refrain people from investing in the jewelry, but I think the quality and the customer service that they are offering for this price after the discount is amazing. So overall I think I would give them like a 7 on 10. Lastly, we have Niche Hair by Parul Gulati. Ever since I saw her pitch at Shark Tank, oh my god, I was a fan, and I'm sure even you have seen all the viral memes that rolled after it. And she actually has a brand that sells human hair extensions, and for someone like me who has to style her hair almost on an everyday basis, I needed something that I could invest in, and I needed like good quality, because मैंने in the past synthetic hair extensions use किए हैं, but उनको बहुत difficult होता है. You cannot wash them, you cannot style them. I thought अब मैं invest कर सकती हूँ in like human hair extensions. So I called for 2 items from the website, which was super easy, and this is how you actually get the product in like this very cute niche hair box. और उसको खोलने के बाद आपको आपका प्रोडक्ट मिलता है इन दिस सैटिन बैग, सो दैट यू कैन स्टोर योर एक्सटेंशंस वेरी नाइसली. अब आफ्टर यू गो टू देयर वेबसाइट यू कैन ऑल्सो बुक अ कंसल्टेशन, एंड बिकॉज मेरे बाल कलर्ड है, आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट एक्सटेंशंस दैट मैच माई कलर, बिकॉज अदरवाइज तो वो कितना वियर्ड लगेगा ना. एंड द होल प्रोसेस वॉज वेरी सीमलेस, बिकॉज वी गॉट ऑन अ कॉल एंड दे सेंट मी द एग्जैक्ट एक्सटेंशंस दैट मैच माई हेयर कलर. सबसे पहले तो ये प्रियंका बोरकर एक्स निश हेयर वाली पोनीटेल जो मैं अभी लगा के full on like very heroine vibes चल रही है. Oh my god you guys, this is extremely soft to touch. I cannot stop touching it, I cannot stop running my fingers. Such good quality, and I feel the way she's made the ponytail is genius, because I have used ponytails in the past, but this one comes in with a clip and also like an extra strand with a velcro, so you can tie the ponytail like those celebrity ponytails होते हैं ना, वैसा एकदम look आता है. And it is just so pretty, well made, well thought. And because ये human hair है, मैं इसको curl कर सकती हूँ, मैं इसको wash कर सकती हूँ, मैं इसकी चोटी बना सकती हूँ. I can do so many hairstyles with just this ponytail, and I feel this is such a great investment. Another something that I called for, especially for greasy hair days, because मेरे को हर बार बाल धो के बाल स्टाइल करना was just a task, so I thought I should get this very viral curly top knot. Now this also matches my hair color perfectly. It has brown strands in it, it is black, तो मेरा exact color है वो. And again this has been made geniusly, because इसके ऊपर और नीचे आपको clip आती है, so you can attach it to your hair, and then you have this strand to like you know tighten it up. And apart from how beautiful it looks and how cute and put together it looks with less effort, it also does not move. मतलब आप कितना भी अपना सर हिला लो, आप ये नहीं निकलेगा अपनी जगह से, which is something so amazing, because I can totally just carry this for my vacations. Beach vacations हो जाए, events हो जाए, shoots हो जाए, I can use them in so many ways. I feel like I've put my money at the right place, because these products are genuinely amazing in quality and they will last me a lifetime for sure. I think the quality of the product you get with this brand, the customer service, the whole consultation bit, the marketing is genius. They also have videos that they'll share with you on how to style them and everything. Overall I think amazing brand, and I would give it a solid 9 on 10. And that was it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know which other celebrity brands should I review next, because I want to sort of make this a series, and send this to someone who's maybe trying to get their hands on any of these brands. And I hope you guys found this helpful and enjoyed it throughout. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to stick around. Bye.